Gaiam Essentials Fitness Mat and Carrier Sling is here to provide ultimate support for your practice. This extra thick classic yoga mat measures at 2/5 of an inch thick and is great for all types of fitness and exercise routines, including yoga, Pilates, or floor exercises where additional cushion and support is appreciated. Designed for use in the home or studio, it really is the ideal all-purpose fitness mat. The easy cinch carrying strap makes it easy to take on the go or store away neatly. Simply roll up the mat, pull the straps around on either end, and connect the hook and loop fasteners. Wherever you are on your fitness journey, look no further than the Gaiam Essentials Fitness Mat with Carrier Sling.
Can't decide which print you're in the mood for? Now you don't have to with Gaiam's reversible yoga mats. These premium yoga mats feature two completely different prints. Just choose the side you want today and then mix it up tomorrow. The mat has a great tacky feel for non-slip traction and features 6 millimeters of cushioning to protect and cushion your joints. Available in a variety of prints and colors, the reversible yoga mats come with Gaiam's lifetime guarantee and a free yoga practice download. Reversible yoga mats from Gaiam unroll the best of both worlds.
Need a little extra cushioning? Try a 5 millimeter yoga mat from Gaiam. At 5 millimeters, this mat is almost twice as thick as a standard yoga mat to give you extra cushioning for your elbows and knees. It's got a great tacky feel for non-slip performance and it's latex-free. Available in a variety of solid colors and fashion prints, this mat comes with Gaiam's lifetime guarantee. You also get a free beginning yoga download, just what you need to get you started or keep you motivated at home. For added cushioning and comfort, try Gaiam's 5 millimeter yoga mat.
The Gaiam Essentials Yoga Mat and Carrier Sling is perfect for any pose or practice. With a 1/4 inch of thick cushioning and available in a variety of bright classic colors, this mat is sure to spark some excitement and energy in every yoga, Pilates, or workout session. The mat's textured, sticky surface provides excellent traction and superior grip to keep you in place in every pose. Non-toxic and 6P free, this mat is made with just the essentials. The included carrier sling is great for easy transportation and storage. Simply slide each end of the mat through the strap's loops and pull the clear clasp down to tighten. The Gaiam Essentials Yoga Mat and Carrier Sling is essential for your everyday practice.